And the same thing for the others. Which is subtraction, multiplication, and division. And then for the action result is going to be the view result passing. Maybe I could put it as an integer, so it's going to be yes integers for now, but the division should be double. I don't get the HTTP post. The suggestion for the HTTP post. I need to find it. Let's give me a moment for that. I will get back to you. Yes, give me a moment. Just get back to you. Close solution. I don't know why it's not working this HTTP post. It is supposed to be there. Okay, controllers, pause. Post system web MVC. So what is that? System web MVC and it doesn't work. MVC sample is actually system web MVC. Going to save it. Yes. Actually, I don't know why it doesn't work because I verified that the this annotation is from system web MVC, so it's supposed to be okay. Um, Maybe I will finish up this example for the next session because the only thing that we just needed to finish this it was just the result. So in here the result it will be just the result of the operation. If I just put like maybe double, it will say double. It will be just model like that. So the result of the operation is, so it will be another page and just giving the result of the operation. And in the calculator controller should be like, okay, receiving information from the post with the model and then doing the operation and then redirecting the result into our result view, which is this one, and passing the value of the result to that view. So that will be just that, but I don't know why it doesn't compile right now. I will check that and will give you get back to you to finish this example, simple example for the next session. Are you okay with that? Okay. The last session I just mentioned about the project that we are going to do for the assignment one. I mentioned that I'm going to just show you how approximately it will look. I will help you along the way also in these next sessions about that. But I can show you what I will try to accomplish in that assignment. So I don't know if you see my screen. The
We
yes,
see a word.
yes, a word, yes. So it's going to be like a blog that you're going to create, a blog where we're going to cover everything in the course. Um, you're going to define a role for that. That will be the role for the administrator. and then regular users that can add comments to that block. And it's going to be just creating with entity framework. We're going to create two tables, posts and comments, and you're going to just develop. This is just the definition of the block, but if you wanted to see like how it looks, um, how approximately it will look, but I will give you all the necessary stuff that you need to put on the block in order to make it work. But I will give you just an example. We'll run. Obviously, we need to cover like entity framework. We just starting on ASP.NET MVC. We didn't even touch entity framework until now. But at least I will show you how uh, what are the functionalities that you may need to think about it, and when we'll cover the subjects, you feel free to ask. It's taking time. I don't know why it takes so much time always, but taking time. Okay, this is going to be like an MVC blog, something like that. When we have some articles in it, I will just, you can add as much articles as you can. You have like two kind of users. I have the admin user that can manage the publication of those articles. Let's say I just put my admin user. Okay. From this admin user, I'm able to manage the post. These are all the posts that we have, and manage also the comments. You have comments, many comments. You have many comments for only one post in here, and also for the post, you can also, if I go to the home page, if I click on it, you see that I'm going to provide like the HTML helper or the JavaScript library that helps you to present the information like this, like HTML, like that. Okay. And I'm going to provide also the editor because it's an editor. If I go to post and maybe edit, I'm going to provide this editor in class. We are going to develop or just show you how this editor works and how you can add it into your project. So this is pretty much the assignment that I'm going to propose, but this is going to be like just is for you just how what the functionalities will be for that assignment. I'm just giving you that in advance, but we're going to cover every single aspect of this assignment in order for you to make it work by yourself. So it's like that. I can edit, I can delete also comments. I have, yes. So for the ones that already have some experience maybe in MVC, I don't think that there are many. There are few of you that know already something in MVC. You can just start thinking how you can develop this, but in the coming days, I will cover every single aspect of this assignment in order to give you all that is necessary to make it work for you. Okay, so any questions about that? Okay, so I will maybe tomorrow I will give you this and we are going to cover also the parts that we missed today for the problem with my Visual Studio, but we're going to cover entity framework, and we are going to we will try to do an example of this, not necessarily this assignment, but an example that shows you how to develop an application like this. So I think it's pretty much for today. Do you have any questions? No? Um, okay, today is your internship too, I think.
Yes, we have a 2:30.
Yes. Yes, I think it's always good to have like you say, you develop your portfolio and everything. I will try to give you like examples like this that are meaningful, because an assignment that is not like useful, let's say, or is just pretty much simple is I think is not worth it. But in this case, a blog like this will give you some of idea how to develop an application like this, even if it's in a basic level, but that this is something that is has meaning and is useful for you. In the past, also, I think one student just modified it in a different way and added some more functionalities that they even being able to present it somehow like something in their portfolio, but you don't have much time now because it's just today. But I will say for future purposes, let's say, or a job in the future or something like that, it will be a nice thing to have too. So it's all for today, and see you tomorrow.
Yeah,
Thank
thank you.
you.
See you
Bye. Have a
tomorrow.
nice day.
Okay, you too. Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye.